In the last tutorial, we have learned about free software, open source software, flaws, and proprietary software. So let's learn about the other terms related to open source. Next is GNU. GNU refers to GNUs not Unix. So this is the full form of GNU. GNUs not Unix means it is GNUs not Unix. So GNU project was created for the development of a Unix-like operating system. So GNU mainly related to the free softwares. So GNU project was created for the development of Unix-like operating system, means the paid softwares that comes with the source code, means the operating system that GNU created comes with the source code that can be copied, modified, redistributed. So it can be copied, modified and redistributed. So we can share it, modify it and copy it. Now GNU offers a wide range of software including applications apart from OS. So initially GNU only develops operating systems. Now GNU developed other softwares also. So the operating system of GNU is Linux. Next term is FSF. So FSF is Free Software Foundation. So FSF is a non-profit organization. So it is mainly an organization for the purpose of supporting free software movement. So FSF is an organization which mainly helps for the development of free softwares. The next term is OSI, Open Source Initiative. So OSI is an organization dedicated to the cause of promoting open source software. So FSF supports free software movement, means they support for the development, and OSI helps in promoting the open source softwares. Then next is W3C, World Wide Web Consortium. W3C is responsible for producing the software standards of www. So W3C is mainly responsible for the production of software standards, means in that World Wide Web every type of files should have a common type, should be of a common type. So World Wide Web Consortium is responsible for producing common protocols that can be shared in the World Wide Web. Now next is freeware. So softwares which are available free of cost, means we don't have to pay anything, and which allows copying and further distribution. So we can copy it and distribute it, but not modification. So we cannot modify it, and source code is not available. So since the source code is not available, means how the software has been coded, so we cannot modify it. Example, Microsoft Internet Explorer. So we can use this software Explorer as much as we want, but we cannot modify it. Now next is shareware, software which is available with the right to redistribute copies. So for sharewares we can redistribute, means we can distribute its copies, but if users intends to use the software, so if a user wants to use the software, often after a certain, sorry, there is this should be often. So often after a certain period of time a license fee have to be paid. So if a user want to use the software after a certain period of time, then he have to pay some fee. You mainly have seen that most of the softwares allow free access for a certain period of time, but after a certain period of time we have to purchase the software, or there may be some softwares which allow some parts to be used, but for some features we have to pay some extra amount. So those softwares will be shareware, and those which don't want any fee, so they will be freewares. That's all for today. Thank you.